Okay guys, this is a Haas BF4. So we're having an issue with the spindle making some kind of noise. When we start the spindle it makes noise, so we're trying to figure out why. So what I noticed so far is that, I don't know if you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see this. There is you guys see that pin right there? That pin right there. So the issue is that when I make a tool change, those two pins are making contact to each other after a tool change, and then that's where the noise is coming from. So let me turn the spindle, let me make a tool change and you guys will see what's going on. Okay, as you guys can see, those two pins are making contact now. If I turn the spindle right now, it'll make a noise, so that's not good at all. Okay, so far I've been trying to fix it. So far what I did and what I noticed is that when I disconnect this hose, it works. Yes, perfect. I'm gonna disconnect it. You guys will see how that thing goes up right away. You guys can see right there. I'm gonna disconnect that hose right now. I'm gonna disconnect it. You see? That thing went up right away. So that's the only way I see that it could fix the problem. What is this hose for? I have no idea. So just in case you guys have this kind of issues, that's what it worked for me. Now that pin is all the way to the top. Okay. It's not making contact no more. I'm gonna go ahead and cycle the tool change so you guys can see very well. See, all the way up. So that's good. working just fine without that hose right there. Now that piston is going all the way up and all the way down. After the torching, that should be all the way up like that. It works. Thanks for watching.